Section 4. New tools, new jobs, new opportunities. The rise of AI brings a wave of new job opportunities.
These are jobs we haven't even imagined yet, just like we couldn't have predicted app developers or social media managers before the internet boom. Think about it.
Someone needs to design, build, program, and maintain all these AI systems. That's where jobs like AI engineers, data scientists, and machine learning specialists come in.
And it's not just technical jobs. As AI becomes more prevalent, we'll need people who understand its ethical implications, who can teach others how to use it effectively, and who can bridge the gap between technology and human needs.
The future of work isn't about choosing between humans and AI. It's about finding ways for them to work together, each leveraging their strengths to achieve common goals. Section 5. Embracing the future, working smarter, not harder. The key to thriving in an AI-powered world is adaptability.
We need to be lifelong learners, always willing to update our skills and embrace new technologies. This might seem daunting, but it's also exciting.
Imagine a world where AI takes over tedious tasks, freeing us to focus on what we truly enjoy and excel at.
Imagine a world where we have more time for creativity, innovation, and human connection. This is the promise of AI, not to replace us, but to empower us.
By embracing this technology and adapting to the changing landscape, we can create a future where work is more fulfilling, more meaningful, and more aligned with our human potential. Section 6. A future of collaboration, humans and AI side by side. The future isn't about humans versus AI.
It's about humans and AI working together. Imagine a doctor using AI to diagnose illnesses faster, giving patients more time and personalized care.
Imagine a teacher using AI to personalize lessons, helping each student learn at their own pace. This is the future we can create.
A future where AI empowers us, not replaces us. A future where technology enhances our lives and helps us build a better world.
So, don't fear the robots. Embrace the change. The future of work is collaborative and it's full of possibilities.